All right, guys. I'm here with this water pump job. So I already removed the valve covers on both sides. The intake manifold, I put some racks there so to protect them for anything going through those holes there. Like right there, you see those holes, so just cover it. So that's what I have those clothes right there, so I can cover the cylinder heads right here, both sides. This the same in this one here. So to avoid anything going through there. So I already removed the timing. The timing. Let me see if I can film here. Timing cover right there. This one right here, guys, this is the water pump. The water pump right there. So it's driving by the timing change. That is the water pump right there. Okay, so that one right there in the bottom is the camshaft. Okay, the crankshaft. I already set it up on time. Now you can see it here. I have my marks. So so right here, this is the yellow link right here. So there's the mark, and there's the like a little dot. So there's the mark. So that one has to be right in the middle. Okay. So the second one here, this one is kind of like, they look like kind of like 12 o'clock bottom, somewhere there. I have it in top the center. Right there, this is my two links right here, and there's the little dot right there, and there's the like a triangle pointing to those links right here. You have to be like right in the middle, so that's a point there. Okay, and the bottom right there, let me see if I can show you guys. I don't know if you can see that yellow link right there. That one has like a, you see the triangle? That triangle had to be right in the middle of the yellow link. Let me see if I can zoom it. Hold on. Oh, way too much. Okay, you see the yellow link right there? That one is for the crankshaft. Okay, so you have to be right in the middle. So this one, I'm taking I'm filming from the top, so it looks like it's in the second link, but no, it's right in the middle. So right there is right on time. Let me see if I can show it from the bottom. All right, guys, I'm all right here on the bottom. Let me zoom it in. I think we put it way too much. Hold on. Right there. Okay, you see the arrow. Well, it's a triangle. Well, sorry guys, cannot film this real good. But right there, if you can appreciate, this is the yellow link right there. There's the little triangle. So in the middle of the link, the yellow link is like a little groove. So that one has to be right in the middle of the yellow link, pointing with a little triangle right there. So this is the mark for the timing. Okay, so there's a 2 in the top, 1 on the bottom, and right there is right on time. Also for some references, I just put my own marks right there. So here, I mean, you don't have to, but I just do it. So I just put those extra ones. This one is lined up with this little one on the bottom. On the back, excuse me, in the back right there, you see a little dot. So I'm gonna just mark it. I just mark it myself there, just in case. And the same thing here on this side. I do the same thing, just in case. But yeah, right now I'm about to lose the tensioner. That's the timing tensioner right there. So right here in the back, I don't think I can film this, but there's it has 2 bolts right in the back. It's 10 millimeters. Just remove it, and so you can be able to have some lose the timing chain right here, and to be able to get the water pump. So also I had to remove these little cups, like an Allen right there, to remove the guide. This is the guy right here. So this is how I had to remove it from there. So yeah, and I just covered this guy here. I put a plastic bag right here to catch like any dust or anything, any screw going through there. You don't want nothing go through there. So just cover all the thing right there, so nothing go through there. Because if you drop something there that you don't know, like a bolt or a screw, something in there, just screw. You messed up the whole engine, because that thing make a hole, and you know it's a mess. You don't want that. So just please cover that. The same here, cover those things there. This is the cylinder, and this other cylinder with the, you know, rags or whatever, but just cover it from dust, because like you see right here, there's a lot of like dust, a lot of nasty stuff. So just be careful, okay?